all, let me remind you that last year, Hormuz Strait accounted for about 1/3 of the world's oil exports. That's about 14 million barrels a day, 80% of which were going to the Asia-Pacific countries. Now this route is essentially cut off, and oil production that depends strongly on the use of the Hormuz Strait threatens to stop in the next few months. And oil storages in the region are being filled with oil that cannot be transported away or is getting too expensive to transport. And of course, completely shifting Middle East oil supplies to schemes not using the Hormuz Strait is hardly feasible now, because changing logistics will not only take time, but will also require great expenditure for infrastructure, expanding seaport terminals and so on. And it carries great political risks that are, of course, still there, because consumers need oil right now.